Hi there. If you've ever submitted proposals sa Upwork, you might have come across this word. So ano nga ba yung milestones and bakit siya natin kailangan i-fill out? Para saan ba siya? Ano yung sinuserve niya na purpose sa pagsisend natin ng proposal? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Milestones are like checkpoints. So sa isang project, ito yung nagsaserve as project or progress markers to indicate kay client that nag-move yung project or umuusad yung project into completion. Usually, yung mga work na may milestone is yung mga fixed price or fixed projects. So let's go ahead and check one so that I can show you how you can fill it out. So, ayan, fixed price siya. Chances are, meron yan siyang milestones. Okay, ito, medyo madali-dali. Retype lang natin into PDF yung Word document niya. So, ang budget niya is 50. They need 2 files. Let's go ahead and check it. Let's go ahead and submit a proposal. Okay, so ang milestones, makikita mo siya under sa terms. This means na si Upwork, tinatanong ka ngayon kung paano mo ba gustong mabayaran. And yung milestone is yung one way, which is kapag may naabot kang certain parts doon sa project, may natapos ka ng specific parts, or when you complete the entire project. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng by project. It means na mababayaran ka lang kapag na i-turn over mo na or nabigay mo na, natapos mo na yung entire project. Since we're going to choose milestones, we have to make sure na it's thick. Okay, so ang question mo dito is, paano mo ba ma-divide yung project? Ano ba yung mga parts na pwede mo, kung saan pwede mong putulin yung project? Kasi yun yung ika-count natin as milestones. So for this one, since sabi niya kailangan niya ng 2 documents, yung first milestone na pwede nating sabihin is kapag na-submit natin yung first document file niya. Okay. Indicate natin ngayon yung due date and magkano yung amount. So since 50 yung budget niya and assuming na 50 din yung i-charge mo for your rate, then let's say 25. So yung division niya. Now, as you can see here, yung total project price pa lang is 25. Kasi yun pa lang yung charge mo dito sa milestone mo. So, para ma-ensure mo na ma-cover mo yung 50, kung halimbawa yun nga yung rate na i-charge mo, you will have to add another milestone and then, lagay mo ulit yung description. So, lagay lang natin to. Dito naman, when the second one na is submitted. So, since yung una natin sinabi is 9, pwede nating ilagay na yung second project will be completed on the 16th. And, para wag tayo mag-over sa budget na inalati client, we'll just say 25 din yung next. So, pag pinasok mo na yan siya, automatic makikita mo dito, yung total price ng project will be $50 na. And ito na yung ma-receive mo. So, that's how you break a project into milestones. If you find this video helpful, please do like it. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you're always informed once we have new videos available for your freelancing needs. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.